Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ledger Nano S Plus. First, unbox your device and connect it to your computer using the USB-C cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application. This software is essential for managing your crypto assets and interacting with your device. It's a straightforward process to get everything set up and ready for secure use. Now, let's initialize your Ledger Nano S Plus. Power on the device and follow the prompts to set it up as a new device. You'll need to choose a secure PIN code between 4 and 8 digits. Most importantly, carefully write down your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so keep it safe and private.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are as reliable as your Ledger. You can find the link for these amazing socks and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your device initialized, open Ledger Live and go to the manager. Here, you can install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once an app is installed, you can generate a receiving address directly on your device. Always verify this address on your Ledger screen before sending any funds to it. Sending crypto is just as easy and secure. In Ledger Live, select the account you want to send from and click Send. Enter the recipient's address and the amount. Crucially, always confirm the transaction details, including the address and amount, directly on your Ledger Nano S Plus screen before approving. This prevents any potential tampering.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.